Good morning. This is the patient who is having the low back pain which is radiating in the bilateral knee joint and bilateral legs also. She is having the back pain which is on and off from past 1.5 years. She had consulted to neurosurgeons also and taken so many medications. Earlier 6 months back she had the physiotherapy sessions at our center, but after that she had consulted to neurosurgeon and orthopedic surgeons also. When we are seeing the MRI, there is a straightening of the cervical spine. There is some disbulge between 2, 3, 4, C4, C5, C6, and there is compression in lower cervical and upper thoracic region. As well as you can see the kyphotic posture is here. There is kyphotic posture. Nerve compression is here also, and this bulge in L4, L5 and L5 as well. We are treating her from yesterday. Yesterday I had taken one single session of manipulation. I had done the chiropractic adjustment. Today we will go for the chiropractic adjustment as well as we will go for the cupping therapy. कल आपका एक सेशन लिया था, कैसा था उसके बाद में?
उससे काफी रिलीफ मिला। आज मुझे मतलब वॉकिंग में भी काफी आराम हुआ।
कितने परसेंट रिलीफ मिल गया
सर? 80%।
80%। कोई मेडिसिन इंजेक्शन कुछ स्टेरॉइड दिया? नहीं. So she is saying that there is 80% relief in one single session. So we have to do the proper assessment, that is very necessary, and after assessment we can go for the chiropractic adjustment. When we are seeing the lower back of her, there is some rotation in the lower back. थोड़ा सा ढीला कर दीजिएगा. So pelvic and lumbar area, and we can do the adjustment by chiropractic method. There is severe small, so after adjustment we will go for the cupping therapy. देखिए इधर. So I am just using this adjuster tool and doing the adjustment for her pelvic as well as the lumbar area. It is very concise and very specific adjustment. So we can see here some sort of spasm and some stiffness is there. I will do the adjustment of the thoracic spine. Take a deep breath. मुंह से छोड़िए. Good, very good, बहुत बढ़िया, good, very good. So very soft chiropractic, बहुत बढ़िया. इधर लेटिए, इधर से उधर पर. It's important to do the assessment, and chiropractic adjustment is very easy when we are doing the perfect assessment. I am doing the adjustment of the cervical spine also. Good, that's great. एक walk करके आइए. Go for the walk.